We are here now at my niece's house. Now we are here inside, and this is our temporary room. We will stay here for 3 days. Let's go inside. This is the first floor. This is our temporary bathroom. It's like we are in a hotel. And this is the living area. It's dark. Yan, ang liwanag na. And the chocolate is waiting for us. You see how nice is this is the playroom of their kids. They have son and daughter. The going to second floor. Good morning po. Nag-walking exercise po ako dito. Naikot ko yung buong village. Tuloy-tuloy lang po ang lakad ko. Hindi ako nagsasalita. Medyo napagod. Umupo na ako dito. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na yung street na nilalakaran ko. Bahala na. Ayan po yung inupuan ko. Lakad uli. Pabalik na ako sa bahay ng pamangkin ko. May paparating na nagja-jogging. Akala ko ako lang mag-isa nagja-jogging dito. Meron din pala. Ayan na siya. Papalapit na. Ito na yung street ng pamangkin ko. Ismi Timur Strabe. Another kind of pine trees. Beautiful. Wow. The vines and the trees. Beautiful. And that's the house of my niece. Pag next na season po nila ay autumn. So, kaya nag-i-start na siya mag-orange. At ito naman ay orange na. Orange red siya. Ang ganda ng color. Yan na po yun. Same po sila na trees. Ang ganda, ano. Dream ko na makakita ng personal nito eh. O yan. Ang dami po talaga flowers dito. Dito ako nakakita ng iba-ibang klase ng pine tree. Madaming klase. Ang gaganda. Ayan. Another different kind of pine trees.
Ja, das ist blöd. Doch, aber auch. Aber jeder kann jetzt nicht was sein. Ja. Also. Ja. Nee, sonst kurz nach heute wegen. Okay. Da war schon.
Okay.
Es hat auch mit Aufbau und Abbau und viel mit Druck auch drin. Also es geht also von der Qualität was gut. Nee, super. Ja, das ist blöd. Doch, aber auch. Aber jeder kann jetzt nicht was sein. Ja. Also. Ja.
Nag-brown na siya. Next yan, orange-red na. Ang cute. This plants transformation. Yellow-green. Then green na green. Ang ganda. Ayan. Karamihan po ng cars dito ay Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Volvo, Peugeot. What else? Oh, I saw the house of my niece. And that is the house of my niece, the eldest daughter of my elder sister, Ate Candy Hayobunoli. She has beautiful roses in front of the house. And the color was my favorite color, yellow. Yellow is a sign of optimism, love, and love. Okay, let's go through by the back door.